Good afternoon, crafters. Today we're going to be making this thank you card. It's for my girlfriend LaShonda, who gave me a really nice surprise over the weekend, and I wanted to say thank you. So we're going to need a few items to make this card, and the items we'll be needing is some Tangerine Tango from Stampin' Up, and it's cut at 4x6. We're going to need a piece of 12x7 white cardstock, and then we're going to just score it at 6. We're going to need some Tangerine Tango ink, some chipboard, some glue stick, and from the Stampin' Up collection Designer Series paper Rainbow Sherbet, I'm using the stripe paper from that series, and the pieces are cut at 2x6. We're going to need a sander, a piece of ribbon that coordinates, and this particular piece I cut about 19 inches. We're going to need a dauber, Stampin' Up's eyelet border punch, and Stampin' Up's 1 3/8 circle punch. And also from the Hodgepodge Hardware, this is the antique brass. We'll need a brad and then the little triangle doohickey that I'm going to wrap the ribbon through. So let's get started. So actually I didn't have enough of the letters. I didn't have the K and the T, I think it was. So I ended up cutting the K out of other cardstock. And all I did was just use the negative from this sheet and trace the K and then cut it out. And if you have to do that, you have to make sure that the chipboard is the same thickness as the other chipboard that you're using. So I've already done that, and then I would just take my glue stick, which I never use the glue stick. I only used it for this project, and I actually had already put it on and taken it off so I could show you on camera.